Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to export video in Clipchamp video editor. See here, I have edited this video, okay, uh, and I would like to export this video. So what I have to do, after finalizing your edit, go to this export button. It is available here. Okay, just click on this export button, and here you will have different options like 480p, 720p, 1080p. That is the resolution of your video. So if you would like to get your original resolution, use maximum one. Okay, so here maximum is 4K, but video is not supported because your video has, here itself it is written, your video has no 4K media. Okay, so you have to choose the previous one. So look at 1000p. It is showing that high quality. So this will be the original resolution for your video. Okay, so don't undergo like 720 480. Okay, suppose if you don't bother about quality of video, then you can go under. But if you would like to get original quality that you have already captured in your video, you have to use the maximum quality. Okay, so here 1080p is the maximum quality of my video. Okay, just click on that, and now it will be saved to download folder. Okay, if you would like to rename this one, yes, you can do it. So here, just before export completes, you can write any text. So here I just write IQOO Z9S 5G Fantasy Blue ringtone. So write, and then click on the other blank area, and it will be the, this will be the file name as of now. Okay, so in this way you can easily export. This exporter file will be located in the default folder. So here in my case, it will be downloaded to downloads folder. Okay, so see here, wait 5 seconds. Also you can save your export to others, like save to OneDrive, save to Google Drive, upload to YouTube X, send to TikTok, etc. Okay, so here see, it is saved, and length is showing 1 minute and 2 seconds, and size is 157.75 megabytes. Okay, so now I am going to open the exported video. This is the exported video, see, and I play exported video.
Hello friends, here you are seeing IQOO Z9S 5G smartphone.
Okay, so in this way you can easily export a video after edit in the video editor called Clipchamp. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.